morning, everybody. Today we are going to do page 3 and page 4 in our language and grammar trifold. And we are going to start out with page number 3. So open up your trifold. Make sure you have page 3 sitting in front of you and a pencil with you. As you are doing this page, you should also have available a list of prepositions. Remember, we pulled that out. They are available in the language folder in Schoology, but also if you do not have that, then what you could do is you could Google and go to common prepositions and Google that. Take a screenshot and keep that list available or in front of you. That will help you. So today we're going to underline the prepositional phrase. I am going to ask you to also circle the preposition. This will make it much easier for you as you go through to find the entire phrase and make sure you've got it right. So we'll start out and we'll do 2 of them together. It took Yazine 4 hours to hike up a mountain. Check your common preposition list and see if there's any words that correspond so that you know what word is the preposition to start out the prepositional phrase. You will notice that the word to is on the preposition list, and so your phrase will be to hike. And this one actually has more than one preposition in it, and you'll also notice that up is a preposition. And that entire phrase will start with up and go all the way to mountain. All right, let's look at number 2. Grayson hit a pop fly to center field. What do you see now? You see the word to, and then you will underline it all the way to center field. Okay, you can do the rest of those on your own. Remember, make sure you are using that common prepositional list. It will help so much. Now we'll move on to page 4. And we are going to go back to these progressive verbs that we've talked about before. And these, remember, are verbs that end in ing and also have a helper or a be verb with them. So the 4th grade students will be is visiting the museum tomorrow. You want to choose the future progressive. So that means you can put the word tomorrow in front, because remember, tomorrow means future. So which one of these will be the proper progressive verb to choose? Will be means happening tomorrow. Is would be present. So we want future, so we will choose will be visiting. And instead of highlight for us, it's just as easy to circle it, and that's great. Brandon was aiming or is aiming for the target. So we are looking for the past progressive, and that means we can put yesterday in front. Yesterday, Brandon was aiming. That would have happened yesterday. Is aiming, it means it is happening in the present. So continue through the rest of that page and finish those off. You may hand those into the basket when you are finished. Have a great day, boys and girls. See you soon.